Well, I hope you're having a great day. My name is Caroline Lee with Nature's Essentials Inc., and I'm going to be going over the promotions and specials that doTERRA has for the month of September 2020. As you can see on the screen, there are a lot of amazing deals and offers that are out there, and we want to go over those a little bit for you so that you have some idea of what is going to be something that you're going to want to take advantage of. So the Harvest Spice, I just got word that it is now sold out. So the only thing that's left on the limited edition or limited time only offer is the Kids Breathe with the stronger blend, and that is almost sold out. So they extended that from last month. So if you haven't already gotten it and you want a great diffuser, the Breathe diffuser is one of the quietest diffusers around that doTERRA has. Like, it's amazing. So, and then you get the stronger blend so you can diffuse it. Stronger is typically in a roller ball. So these will probably not make it through this week, but just wanted to let you guys know that that was extended from last week. So let's go through the September promotions that are going on. The first one is the product of the month. Now the product of the month is something that you can earn for free when you participate in the Loyalty Rewards program. And how you qualify for this free product is that you place a 125 point value or PV order before the 15th of the month, and then doTERRA, just as a thank you, will actually put this oil inside your order and you'll be able to take this home for you. So fun fact about white grapefruit, or in particular grapefruit, white is thought to be the original color of grapefruit, and that red is a natural mutation. So we're used to seeing that red on there, but white grapefruit is the original color of grapefruit. So white grapefruit's name comes from the color of the peel, but shares similar chemistry and characteristics of the other grapefruit varieties. Now, not quite as sweet as the pink grapefruit cousin, the aroma of the white grapefruit still, it will invoke a fruity citrus tone to it. Now, it is high in limonene, and it is cold compressed from the fresh peel. That's where the essential oil comes from. Now, this oil shines through and it creates a fresh, sweet environment, so it's very uplifting. It also is ideal as a joy-enhancing air freshener. And the scent of white grapefruit is described as very clarifying, cheering, and uplifting. Now, white grapefruit, like I said, is high in limonene, which makes it great for the skin and dental cleansing. And it may support GI health and metabolism when you're taking that internally. So you can use white grapefruit in all three ways: aromatic, topical, and internal from doTERRA. However, will want to follow the directions on the label as far as how to do that. As with all citrus, when you're using them topically, I highly recommend using it at night. That way you're not photosensitive and you have some hours without the sun. So, you know, typically you look at the reference books on when to avoid sun exposure when you're using it topically, but it is great for cleansing. So do that maybe in your nighttime routines. Now you can use white grapefruit by diffusing it throughout your home to create, again, that light, refreshing, uplifting environment. You can also add it to your facial cleansers, your shampoos, your toothpaste as just an added cleansing benefit. So you can kind of use those properties that we talked about. Or you can do 1 or 2 drops in the palms of your hands, rub them together and just cup it over your nose and mouth and just breathe that in to refresh your senses and everything. So remember that you can take this internally, so you can follow the recommendations for that, but it will help and may help with digestive process. So drinking in your water will be very, very yummy on there, and also, you know, helps with the metabolism when you do take it internally. So great uses for that as well. So if you haven't gotten white grapefruit, or if you're like me and you're almost out of your white grapefruit from last time, this is a great time to up that order to 125 points so that you can qualify to get this freebie. All right, let's talk about the 10% product for this month, and that is going to be Serenity. Now, Serenity is our Restful blend, right? It's what it was designed to help us get a better night's sleep, help us relax, And so it really is been designed for those two benefits, right? So this is one of our best-selling essential oils, and it combines wood, floral, and herb essential oils that are all known for their calming abilities and their abilities to help promote a good night rest. So there's 9 key ingredients in this blend that all work together synergistically to help you with getting a restful night's sleep, so, and calming things down. So lang-a-lang is in it, and that is distilled from the drooping flowers of a tropical native tree in the Philippines. And research has shown that lang-a-lang health benefits began in the early 20th century with French chemists noticed that the oils had the calming properties. So that's a crucial member in this blend. We also have Roman chamomile, and that's emotionally comforting and calming. It's revered for its ability to calm and relax and quiet the body and the mind, which we need when we want to rest and relax, right? The fresh flower of lavender is in this blend, and we know that that dispels tension and relieves anxious feelings. Now, we do have that rich, earthy scent of vetiver in this oil blend too, and that is prized for its grounding abilities. Hoe wood essential oils is also in here. It's calming thanks to the high concentrated chemical constituent of linalool. Hawaiian sandalwood is also in this one. It's woody and earthy, and it's relaxing. Majoram is the next oil in this blend, and it's emotionally soothing. We also have cedarwood. Now that's high in a chemical constituents called cedarol, which has been studied extensively for its ability to calm the nerves. And then it's the last of the 9 ingredients is vanilla absolute, and that helps soothe away worry and encourages feelings of love and connection. So we gotta love that vanilla when we're cooking, and now we have it in our oil blend. So this is great to deal with daily stresses of our lives. If we're under a lot of stress, to help us relax. We also diffuse this oil to help quiet a restless baby or a child, or maybe ourselves as we are winding down from our day. So we want to have something that's calming to the mind and also soothes the senses. So this is a really, really good oil. You can apply it to the bottoms of your feet at bedtime to unwind before going to sleep. You can use it with its companion product, which is the doTERRA Serenity Restful Complex Soft Gels to enhance that effect. You can follow the directions there on doTERRA for that companion product. You can also just inhale it directly from the bottle or put a drop in your hands to help you relax as well. Adding 2 to 3 drops in a warm bath with Epsom salt to kind of create a more relaxing and renewing experience. I know with kids, this is a great thing to put in their baths as they're doing their nightly routines. You can also apply 2 to 3 drops on the back of your neck, on the heart, for feelings of calmness and peace. And I've also heard that the big toe is a great place to apply oils when you're trying to go to sleep as well. So again, you can use this aromatically and topically. You're gonna love this one. You're gonna use it quite often, especially when you lay in the bed and you're thinking, why am I not falling asleep? Just get out, grab your Serenity, put it in your diffuser, put it on topically. But it's so great that this month we can get 10% off of this oil that we use quite regularly in our household. The last thing I want to talk about is convention, or what we're calling Global Connection with doTERRA. It's online this year, and it is going to be next week, and there are still tickets available. So what's beautiful about this is you can watch it live as it's happening the 9th, 10th, 11th, and 12th. The 9th is when we're going to do the product reveal. So we're going to show all the new products that are coming out. And then the other days are going to be spent in talking about immunity, talking about products like Deep Blue and the Lifelong Vitality. We're going to be hearing from the co-impact sourcing, the growers, and going over how purity of an essential oil, how that happens and the whole process. We're going to hear from scientists and doctors with their latest research and information to help us have a better understanding of essential oils and their applications. We're also going to hear a lot about the Healing Hands Foundation and how purchasing one bottle of oil really can make a difference with not only your own family, but people and families across the world. So this is amazing. Oil users are going to love it because you're going to be having an interactive house that you can kind of go through the marketplace, where we're going to go room to room in your house, and we're going to kind of give you some educational tips and tricks with essential oils, what oils are good in the bedroom versus in the kitchen, and how to use them, practical applications on there. So a lot of great tips for oil users, as well as a few for if you're going to be sharing and building the business. We're going to have Saturdays all about empowering yourself and how can you share effectively and easily with those that you love that could really use the benefit of essential oils. So this is open to everybody who wants to learn about essential oils. I love that it's only going to cost you $30 to get access to this. You've got 2 months to view the content. So if you can't watch all during next week, don't worry. You have till the end of October to do that. So $30 is a screaming deal. Make sure you go to doTERRA.com. Under the Discover tab, you'll see the convention link on there. Click on there and then hit the register, and you'll have access to that. All the wonderful and amazing information that they put inside that as well. And you know what? They do have a marketplace that they're going to be opening up as well, where you're going to be able to get a lot of essential oil products and tools to help your essential oil use. And that's always such a popular place to get that. And with your convention ticket, you'll have also access to the new products. You'll be able to order it in a kit, not only saving yourself money by bundling it all up, but you'll be able to get it before everybody else does. So the convention kit, getting your convention ticket is really going to allow you to be able to get that convention kit, get your hands on the essential oils, and to learn how to use the newest products as well. So anyways, just want to invite you, if you've been thinking about whether or not to purchase a ticket to go to the Pursue convention from doTERRA, look no further. I think it's a great investment. I think you'll love it, and you don't want to miss out for sure. So that is the September promotions. Again, my name is Caroline Lee. I do all things essential oils. So follow me on my YouTube channel or find me on Facebook or Instagram under Nature's Essentials Inc. With that, have a blessed day and keep oiling.